Data Scientist Interview Practice Questions, Set 5. Question 1. Which of the following is an unsupervised learning algorithm? A. K-means clustering. B. Linear regression. C. Logistic regression. D. Support vector machine. The correct answer is A. K-means clustering. K-means clustering is used for grouping data into clusters without labeled outcomes. Question 2. What is the main difference between bagging and boosting? A. Bagging reduces variance, boosting reduces bias. B. Bagging builds sequential models, boosting builds parallel models. C. Bagging uses decision trees, boosting uses linear regression. D. Bagging is used for regression, boosting for classification. The correct answer is A. Bagging reduces variance, boosting reduces bias. Bagging reduces variance by combining multiple models. Boosting reduces bias by focusing on misclassified data. Question 3. What does a ROC curve measure? A. Accuracy versus precision. B. Model's ability to distinguish between classes. C. Training and testing error. D. Feature importance. The correct answer is B. Model's ability to distinguish between classes. ROC curve plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate to evaluate model performance. Question 4. What does normalization refer to in data preprocessing? A. Scaling the data to a range of 0, 1. B. Encoding categorical variables. C. Filling missing values with mean. D. Removing outliers from the data. The correct answer is A. Scaling the data to a range of 0, 1. Normalization scales features to a standard range to prevent bias in machine learning models. Question 5. Which algorithm works well for large, sparse datasets? A. Decision trees. B. Logistic regression. C. Naive Bayes. D. Support vector machines. The correct answer is C. Naive Bayes. Naive Bayes works well on sparse data and assumes feature independence. Question 6. What is the purpose of a confusion matrix? A. To visualize decision boundaries. B. To assess model performance in classification tasks. C. To plot feature importance. D. To compare model predictions with actual values. The correct answer is B. To assess model performance in classification tasks. Confusion matrix displays the true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives. Question 7. Which of these methods is used for feature selection? A. Principal component analysis. B. K-means clustering. C. Recursive feature elimination. D. Logistic regression. The correct answer is C. Recursive feature elimination. Recursive feature elimination removes irrelevant or less important features based on model performance. Question 8. Which algorithm is best suited for handling nonlinear relationships? A. Linear regression. B. Random forest. C. K-nearest neighbors. D. Support vector machine. The correct answer is D. Support vector machine. SVM with an RBF kernel can handle nonlinear decision boundaries effectively. Question 9. What does gradient descent do in machine learning? A. Optimizes the model's hyperparameters. B. Minimizes the model's error by adjusting weights. C. Reduces the number of features in the model. D. Visualizes data distributions. The correct answer is B. Minimizes the model's error by adjusting weights. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize the loss function by updating model weights. Question 10. What is an advantage of using ensemble methods? A. They reduce model training time. B. They improve model accuracy by combining multiple models. C. They work only with large datasets. D. They require fewer data pre-processing steps. The correct answer is B. They improve model accuracy by combining multiple models. Ensemble methods combine predictions from multiple models to improve accuracy and robustness. Question 11. Which of these models is used for anomaly detection? A. Support vector machines. B. K-means clustering. C. Isolation forest. D. Linear regression. The correct answer is C. Isolation forest. Isolation forest is an effective algorithm for detecting anomalies in datasets. Question 12. Which technique is used for handling class imbalance? A. Normalizing the data. B. Undersampling the majority class. C. Increasing the model complexity. D. PCA. The correct answer is B. Undersampling the majority class. Undersampling the majority class or oversampling the minority class can help balance class distribution. Question 13. What is the purpose of hyperparameter tuning? A. To adjust the model's internal parameters. B. To improve the performance by choosing optimal hyperparameters. C. To prevent overfitting. D. To reduce the dataset size. The correct answer is B. To improve the performance by choosing optimal hyperparameters. Hyperparameter tuning involves selecting the best parameters for improving model performance. Question 14. Which algorithm is widely used for recommendation systems? A. K-means clustering. B. Collaborative filtering. C. Logistic regression. D. Naive Bayes. The correct answer is B. Collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering is commonly used for making recommendations based on user-item interactions. Question 15. What is the purpose of the learning rate in gradient descent? A. To control the size of each step. B. To adjust the weights directly. C. To determine the model's performance. D. To handle feature scaling. The correct answer is A. To control the size of each step. The learning rate controls how large a step is taken in each iteration of gradient descent. Question 16. What does underfitting refer to in machine learning? A. Model performs well on training data but poorly on test data. B. Model is too complex for the data. C. Model is too simple and cannot capture data patterns. D. Model is overfitted to the training data. The correct answer is C. Model is too simple and cannot capture data patterns. Underfitting happens when a model is too simple and cannot capture underlying patterns in the data. Question 17. Which evaluation metric is used for regression tasks? A. Precision. B. F1 score. C. Mean squared error. D. AUC ROC. The correct answer is C. Mean squared error. Mean squared error is a common metric for evaluating regression model performance. Question 18. Which algorithm is known for being interpretable and simple? A. Support vector machine. B. Decision tree. C. K-nearest neighbors. D. Random forest. The correct answer is B. Decision tree. Decision trees are easy to interpret because they split data based on simple rules. Question 19. What is a common disadvantage of using neural networks? A. They require a lot of labeled data. B. They are fast to train. C. They perform poorly on small datasets. D. They cannot handle nonlinear data. The correct answer is A. They require a lot of labeled data. Neural networks require large amounts of labeled data for training effectively. Question 20. What does backpropagation refer to in neural networks? A. The process of making predictions. B. The process of adjusting weights based on error. C. The process of initializing the network. D. The process of generating new data. The correct answer is B. The process of adjusting weights based on error. Backpropagation is used to minimize the error by adjusting weights during the training process.